stall letters are notorious from credit bureaus. Whether you are working on a customer's credit report or whether you are working on your own credit report, you're going to get these stall letters. Look, I put together a guide inside of the Client Dispute Manager where there's over 15 ways to respond to stall letters. They're simply ways for the credit bureau to stall your disputing. So when you get a stall letter, right, depending on what they say in the letter, you always want to respond back to the credit bureau, and you pretty much want to provide them with additional proof of verification. And you want to tell the credit bureau, you just want to respond to them and just say, look, don't violate the law. So just draft a different letter that will counter that stall letter and tell the credit bureaus that you believe that they're violating your rights by sending these stall letters and to continue investigating this particular dispute. Now, inside of the Client Dispute Manager, we have a section with many different responses to the stall letter.